Okay, so as you can see, I'm under the car now on jack stands here. This brace, I did remove all of these bolts. I did not remove the major bolt over there that everyone has an issue with. All the exhaust is still on. I did have to bend this heat shield back a little bit, which you can readjust that. You can see all of the connectors here. So what I'm going to try to do, I don't think that I can show this on camera, but let me see if I can actually, let's see if we can actually do this. Just get this up here like this. You turn it around. If I do this one hand, this should show you how much easier this should be. So the heat shield's in the way there. You got to pull the heat shield back a little bit. There it goes. So there you go. I mean, it's really sort of that simple. Now what I've got to do is plug everything in. I have to bolt everything up, put this back in, bolt these bolts up, and after knowing this, I think it's gonna take me longer to jack up the car than it is to do this. Probably taking off this shield is gonna take longer than this. So I hope that helps. Again, you do not have to remove this. You do not have to drop the exhaust. I did pull this down a little bit, bent the heat shield, which will go back, and that's about it. So I hope this helps everyone. I do have a video as well about the worm gear and pressing that on without a bench vise. So there is a way to do that. So I'll also link that video as well. So I hope this helps. And thanks, and see you next time.